Hi, I'm Paul Costner with Broadband Academy. Today we're going to talk about some different types of components and how they work in the HFC network. The first component we're going to talk about is a tap. This is a two-port tap, okay? And when in the cable TV industry, taps mean that's where your drop cable comes off of. That is connected then to your NIU, okay, or NID at your house. So these are going to be in pedestals if they're underground, or up on hardline on poles, okay, if they're aerial. They can be both spots because they're both weather resistance either way. So this is a two-port tap, okay, because it has two outputs. What would happen is you'd have your hardline that would be an in, like so, and then it would be keep on going down the line to the next device, okay? But coming off of that, you're going to have an RG6 drop cable or usually an RG11 drop cable coming off either in the PED, it'll be buried to your customer's house, or it'll be an aerial drop with a messenger cable to your customer's house. That's just a two-port, so that's all you have. And this is the dB level value that you need on that actual tap. As taps go on, the higher value you'll have will be closer to the head end. That'll be less loss going down your actual network. This tap here is a four-port tap. Once again, you have four outputs, or four drop cables can come off and serve four different customers in that neighborhood. Once again, you have an in and an out, and depending on how you have this configured, you can have them either way. Usually in underground PEDs, you have it coming in and then going down. So this is in a PED. Aerial, you're going to have something similar to that. But let's say you have to go to a right angle, then you can come that way as well. So you have some flexibility in how these are designed for your network. The next tap I'm going to talk about is a 8-port tap. Now this has a reading on there, but it looks like it got wore off. But here you have 8 outputs. And once again, these are both made for overhead insulation and underground insulation. This last device that I'm going to talk about is a two-way splitter. Okay, so if you have a neighborhood where you don't have any taps or any drops, you will actually split this signal so that you can go different directions to cover your network. This concludes the component videos.